We're gonna get this one because it's not as green. When it's green, then that's when you know it's not ready. But you see it's yellow, it's ready. Hey guys, Brittany Walker here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a grocery haul just to show you that you can eat healthy and on a budget basically. So we're on the way to the farmers market now. Before we start, don't forget to go down and subscribe and just hit the like button if you like this video. I love these cherries. Picking out pineapples. I think we're gonna get this one because it's not as green. When it's green, then that's when you know it's not ready. But you see it's yellow, it's ready. as you see, all of that was in the basket. It wasn't bad. It came up to $135.03, which is a good price for all of that stuff. The best thing to do is go to the farmer's market because it's fresher and it's less expensive. So once we get back home, I'll just show you everything that we got, as well as some extra tips to shop on a budget. Okay, tip number 1 of eating healthy on a budget, shopping healthy on a budget, is basically just clean out your fridge before you go shopping. That way you can see exactly what's in your fridge and everything, what you have before you go shopping. That way you don't just spend extra money for no reason on food you don't need because you already have it at home. Tip number 2 is just to go to the farmer's market and go grocery shopping for your fruit and your vegetables and even your meat. Even though I'm pescatarian, I don't eat meat, but they still have good deals on meat and fish and all types of everything. When you go in the big franchises, they do charge more, and plus they do just put extra crap in there, like chemicals and everything in the meat and on the fruit and everything for it to last longer, of course. In the farmer's market, everything is fresher. Go! You trying to have people honking at us? People mad at them in the back already. Ooh! The light turned red because of you. Is learn how to store your produce so it can last longer. Like, for example, when we went grocery shopping, we got sweet potatoes and regular potatoes. So I did research online, and it looks like you can store sweet potatoes and regular potatoes in a dark, cool place, covered. So that's how I store our potatoes, or you can store it in the fridge, either one you would like. Now tomatoes, you can store, you don't have to store in the fridge. They actually last longer on the countertop. Just make sure when you get them, they're really firm, they're not soft. That way it doesn't go bad as quick. And for like the pineapple I showed you when we was going grocery shopping. Now if I would have got it when it was green, then that means it's not ready yet. So I could have kept it a little longer before I actually cut into it, but I wanted it right then, like today. So that's why I got it when it was yellow. All of that on the countertop, and of course bananas, you know, you can store on the countertop, but those do go bad fast. The bananas too, when they get older, you can just unpeel them and put them in a Ziploc bag in the fridge. Number 5 is just basically to make your own food from scratch. So we went to the farmer's market and we got a whole lot of fruits and vegetables that we can make. So instead of just going to the store, like these big stores, and buying like pre-packaged meals that probably got like a whole bunch of crap in them that's not even healthy, but it actually like promotes and advertises that it's healthy, just make your own. It doesn't take that long at all. It doesn't cost much to eat healthy. It doesn't take a lot of time to eat healthy, and you feel better about what you're putting in your body and just overall with yourself and everything. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll be posting in a day or two, just basically explaining the differences of eating healthy and what I experienced in my body, and how you can transition to make it easier. You got something to say, chicken nugget?
You'll tell the whole world what my
That's my chicken nugget. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Hey guys. you know?